Hey guys, it's Mari from GSM. I just wanted to pop in with a quick little update, show you some footage. Horrific tsunami triggered by a 7.5 earthquake in Palu, Indonesia. 2 meter, that's 6.6 feet high, swept through Palu on what was it? I'm good like Jake with pronouncing these on the fly. Sulawesi Island. Officials have reported 5 deaths. It's not clear if those were a result of the tsunami. We are keeping our eye on that. Unfortunately, we got lives, and we're at work right now. This is awful to watch the video footage coming in and only be able to squeeze in updates, I'm on a quick little break. So I'm putting this together so you guys can take a look at this footage. So sad. My understanding is that they lifted the tsunami warning, and then in comes the tsunami. I haven't been able to actually get online and vet any more than that. Totally tragic situation right now. We'll have a lot more for you at our live show tonight. So definitely take a look at this footage, and we're definitely keeping the people of Palu, Indonesia, in our thoughts and prayers right now. So take care, everyone. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you for tuning in to GSM. Please like and share, and I'll just let this roll for a bit.
Di Palu, ya Allah, doakan saya masih hidup, rekan-rekan. Astagfirullahaladzim, 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 ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah, rekan-rekan, doakan saya selamat, ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim, 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 ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah, berikan saya keselamatan, ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim, 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 astagfirullahaladzim. Di Palu terjadi gempa, di Palu, di Watu Sampu, di Palu dan sekitarnya, ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim.